In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Claude Code. If you're wrapping up a session, switching devices, or just want to keep your work private, logging out is a quick way to make sure your account stays secure. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful tips so the process is smooth and stress-free. First, open your Claude Code app. Give it a moment to load your workspace and any recent projects. It's a good habit to save any changes before you sign out, especially if you're in the middle of editing. Logging out won't delete your projects, settings, or files, but it will end your current session, so anything unsaved in an open editor might not be captured. Once the app is open and you're on the main interface, you're ready for the next move. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. This is where your account area lives. You'll usually see a small profile picture or an icon with your initials, sometimes alongside your account label. It's tucked into the lower left edge of the sidebar so it stays easy to find no matter what page or tab you're on. That's the spot you want. Click on your account area in that bottom left corner. When you do, a small panel or menu will appear. This account menu is designed to give you quick access to account-specific actions without taking you away from your work. Take a brief look at the options so you're familiar with what's there for next time, but for now we're focused on signing out. Inside that panel, look to the bottom for the logout option. It's clearly labeled and placed at the end of the list so it's easy to identify. Click Log Out to end your session. After this, the app will sign you out and take you back to the main welcome or sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that the logout worked. Your active session is now closed and your account is no longer accessible from this instance of the app. To recap, open Claude Code, find your account area in the bottom left, click it, then choose Logout at the bottom of the panel. That's all it takes. The next time you open the app, you'll be prompted to sign back in before accessing your projects. Keeping this habit helps protect your work, especially on shared or borrowed devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log out of Claude Code quickly and confidently.